Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online safety with LastPass, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your preferred web browser. Go to the LastPass website by typing lastpass.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started Free button. Click on the button to begin the sign-up process. You will be prompted to create an account. Enter your email address in the designated field. Choose a strong master password that you can remember. Make sure your master password is unique and includes letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Now you can log into LastPass using your email and master password. Once logged in, consider installing the LastPass browser extension. Look for the download or get the extension option on the dashboard. Follow the prompts to add the extension to your browser. After installation, you will see the LastPass icon in your browser's toolbar. Click the LastPass icon to log in with your account credentials. Once logged in, you can start saving passwords. To add a new password, navigate to the website you want to save credentials for. When prompted for a login, LastPass will offer to save your password. Click Save to store your login details securely. To access stored passwords, click the LastPass icon and select Vault. Here, you will find all your saved passwords organized for easy. If you want to generate secure passwords, click on the Password Generator tool within the extension. Choose the desired length and complexity for your new password. Copy the generated password and use it for your new account or update existing logins. Remember to always use LastPass's Password Manager to fill in your credentials. This feature ensures that you never have to remember all your passwords. For additional security, enable two-factor authentication in your account settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.